Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to get rid of CAPTCHA on Google Chrome. So sometimes when you browse the internet, different websites may ask you to verify if you're human. This can be annoying. So I'm going to show you methods on how to reduce the amount of times you're asked for this verification. So the first thing you have to do is open up Google Chrome. After opening up Google Chrome, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots button. Then scroll down and select the option that says Settings. Then once in Settings, on the left side, you'll see a list of options. Select the option that says Privacy and Security. Then in the Privacy and Security page, you will scroll down and select the option at the bottom which says Site Settings. Then once in Site Settings, you'll scroll down and at the bottom, you'll see an option that says Additional Content Settings. Click on that. So this is a drop down which will give you another list of options. From the list of options, you need to select the option that says Auto Verify. Click on that. So in the Auto Verify page, you'll see that it is currently toggled off. So we need to toggle this on. So what happens when you turn this on is that Google Chrome will auto verify you and tell other websites that you are human and that you're not a bot. So when this is turned on, it reduces the amount of CAPTCHA that you see. So this is how you get rid of CAPTCHA on Google Chrome. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.